Stop paying for voiceovers and wasting your time on voice dubbing. This free AI tool creates videos with dialogues, perfect lip sync, and consistent characters. Creators are already making real money with it, without spending a cent. Let me show you how.
The leaves are laughing at us.
They're not laughing at us. Do you think they know jokes?
If they do, I hope they like knock-knock jokes.
Do you want to learn how to create videos like this with consistent characters and a matching voice? Stick with me until the end of this video. I'm going to walk you through a simple 3-step process, plus the most common issues and how to avoid them. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I share simple, powerful methods and tools that help you create content and products to earn money online. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Today I'm using the free version of an all-in-one AI tool, Grok, to create everything. First, the story and animation prompt, and second, the video clips with voiceover. Then I'll pull all the clips into Canva for the final edit. And yes, you can totally use the free version for simple video editing. I have put together all the details for a short story that I want to use in Grok Chat to create an animation prompt. You can use ChatGPT or any similar tool to help with this. I entered this in Grok to generate a prompt based on a warm, comedic adventure about 2 adventurous kids discovering a magical world. Feel free to pause and go through the prompt if you want. In a few seconds, you'll get an animation prompt like this. Creating the prompt is just the first step. I'd like to save the prompts in a Word file so they're easy to edit and reuse for the next step of the video creation process. If you are not happy with the story or the prompt, you can always ask for a new version. The second step is creating the animation. We will use Grok again to generate the video. Just copy and paste the first scene along with the character prompt. Just go to grok.com and open Imagine. I'm using the free version again. Before you make anything, go into the settings. Under Behavior, turn off Enable Automatic Video Generation. That way it won't instantly create a video the moment you upload an image or type something in. We want the video to keep the character looking the same as the reference image, while still following whatever animation prompt we give it. Now take a look at the video settings. A few options are paid only, but the free version still gives you 6-second, 480p videos, which is totally enough to get the job done. You can set the aspect ratio based on the platform you're creating content for. For YouTube, long-form videos use 16:9, while shorts use 9:16. In this tutorial, I'll be using the 9:16 format for short-form content. This aspect ratio works across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram Reels. Make sure to subscribe for future videos where I share ideas, tools, tips, and tricks to help you earn money online through content creation at zero or minimal cost. After you've set up the video format, simply copy and paste the first video prompt along with the character description into Grok. Make sure you've selected the video option, then click the arrow next to the video icon. It usually takes 1 or 2 minutes to create the video, sometimes it works faster. You can see the progress percentage at the bottom of the screen. And just like that, the first scene of our story is ready. Now click the unmute button to play the video with dialogue.
There's a raid. We should probably tell someone or run or both.
You can adjust the speed of both the video and the audio while editing. I'll show you how to do that in our third step. But before we move on to step 3, we need to create all the video scenes. If you simply copy and paste the next scene, you might end up with completely different characters and a different video background. Here's the trick to maintain character consistency and keep the background continuous for the next scene. Select a video frame where all the character features and the background are clearly visible at the end of the first scene. Then right-click on the video and choose Save Video Frame As. Save this image to your device. Then download the first video scene by clicking the download arrow in the bottom right corner, and save the video to your device. Now let's create the second scene. Make sure your video settings remain the same as in the previous scene. Then upload the video frame image we saved from the end of the first scene. This will serve as our reference image for the next video. I'm using a continuity prompt along with a reference image to get the best output. I've prepared a continuity prompt to make sure we maintain consistent characters and a matching background in the next video. The first version can be used without an image reference, which means you can skip the step of saving and uploading a video frame. The second version includes an image reference. This is the method I'm teaching you in this video. Try both approaches and see which one works best for you. Copy and paste this continuity prompt into Grok first, before the prompt for the second scene. In just a few seconds, the second scene will be ready.
Finn, it's like someone spilled every crayon in the world, and the ground is squishy. Lost is just an adventure without a map. Come on. Finn, it's like...
You can continue creating the rest of the video scenes by following these same steps, then download and save each one to your device. The third step is video editing, once we've created all the scenes in Grok. Before editing, I like to organize all the video clips into a single folder. If you're using a computer, you'll find your downloaded videos in the Downloads folder. I'm editing this video using Canva, and the best part is, you can do everything with the free version. Start by clicking Create, then choose the video format. I'm using 1080x1920, which works perfectly across YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Next, click Upload Files, open the folder where your video clips are stored, select all the clips you want to use, and hit Open. Canva will upload all the clips together. Wait for your clips to finish uploading. Once they're fully uploaded, you'll see the duration displayed on each clip. Next, drag and drop the video clips to the timeline. Check whether your video clips are in the correct order. If they're not, simply drag and move them around on the timeline until everything is lined up the way you want. You can add transitions between clips to keep the flow smooth. You can easily adjust the transition timing if you want. Just play around with the settings and find what works best for your video. Have fun with it and make it match the vibe you're going for. You can choose different transitions for each scene, or apply the same transition to all scenes with just one click. It's totally up to the style you want for your video. And adjust the video speed if anything feels too fast or too slow. Canva has plenty of advanced editing options, but I'm not covering all of them today. For now, I'm just showing you how to create a simple, clean short video, perfect for getting started. When you're happy with your edit, click the download arrow in the top right corner to export your video. Free version you can download only 1080p HD video, which is reasonably good for our purpose. Now your video is ready to upload to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel or earning through content creation, this is your sign. It's the perfect time to begin. What's holding you back the most in your content creation journey right now? Share in the comments. If I have experience fixing it, it'll be in an upcoming video. We're in this together. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting my channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your support truly means a lot.
Can't get home. I mean, it was fun, but...
Hey, we've got each other. We'll figure it out.
Told you! Adventure complete! Deal. Best friends forever?
Forever.